Welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin from Podium Body Works. We're gonna do a series of videos covering insurance. We're gonna take a deep dive and take a look at all different aspects in the process from beginning a claim all the way to the end when you receive your vehicle, and kind of in between that process going over how insurance companies take a look at the damage, how we work together in order to come to a repair plan and procedure, and how to follow that procedure with OEM parts and creating a proper repair on the vehicle, which can sometimes be tricky dealing with insurance because their objective is to save as much money on the repair, and our objective is to repair the car proper at whatever that cost may be. Not over the top, but exactly how that car is supposed to be returned as it was before the collision. And that is the agreement that insurance companies have with their clients, and it's supposed to be returned as it was. When it comes to insurance and making sure that you have the proper coverage for the type of vehicle that you own, it's very important to either go through whoever your insurance broker is and look at the details, look at the fine print, make sure that everything that you want out of a policy is in writing. Important, everything from rental car coverage to OEM parts to where your car is going to be repaired at, which is your choice in the state of Texas, which we'll talk to more about how insurance companies are steering and trying to get you to take your vehicle to their preferred shop, which is not always the best choice. There's a lot of good shops out there. There are direct repair facilities that are good shops, but you as the consumer in many states, including Texas, it's your choice to choose your shop. And I highly recommend that you do your due diligence, call the different shops, talk to them about their repair procedures, how long is the wait, which insurance companies they work with, and really get the answers to the questions that you have as far as that repair process goes. For our shop, we go through a very detailed informational, we don't even look at what the questions are from the client. We actually try to provide all the information because sometimes clients don't know the right questions to ask. So we really know the process well, and we try to get very in-depth with what the client should expect from the repair.